What Filipino value promotes community, unity, and volunteerism? C, 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 C. Sige, the right answer is C. Bakit si C? Utang na loob. A deep sense of gratitude, no? So, ang hinahanap dito is nagpo-promote daw ng community unity and volunteerism. O, ang utang na loob, hindi naman, di ba? As a deep sense of gratitude lang na to. Obligasyon mo to, return the favor. Okay, pakikisama is getting along with others and maintaining the harmony. Para lang, goods lang kayo, no? Hindi kayo mag-away. Okay, pakisamahan mo. Ang hiya, no? A sense of shame or embarrassment that guides respectful behavior. Nakakaya naman, wag na lang, no? Itago ko na lang to para wag na mag-cause ng conflict. So, community unity is what? Bayanihan. So, bayanihan is the spirit of communal unity and cooperation. So, this is the picture of a traditional bayanihan. Familiar naman tayo dito, di ba? So, a Filipino tradition and concept representing community, spirit, unity, and cooperation. Sa bayanihan nagmamanifest ito, particularly in times of need. Okay? So, nakita rin natin, no, during the Typhoon Christine and a lot of typhoon disaster happening in the Philippines. Very, very proud tayo sa parte na to na Filipinos are really working hand by hand.